Could you start by telling us your name, your organization, and what you do?
My name is Shakil Shabir. I'm a member of Parliament Kisumu East and the chairman of the African Parliamentarians Against Corruption.
So, how has the Integrity Walk 2025 been to you?
Well, this is something that is a continual fight. We've been fighting this corruption for the last 20 years in Parliament. APNEC is over 20 years old. There are maybe 20, 30 of us who are looking at this issue and trying to bring the fight against corruption to the MPs to see how they can be able to deal with those issues which are corruption proofing. Yeah, and also talk about it with our leaders. Yeah.
So, how do you think we as the citizens can help to end corruption?
There is something that we have launched called Shahidi. Shahidi is a program that we are developing with the Gen Z, and you're going to be able to report corruption anonymously, like whistleblowers. Also, we are working on something in the next walk. We're going to call it Citizens Against Corruption. So we got citizens to come with the Shahidi, and we talk and we bring name and shame. So you'll be finding me soon in the next couple of months getting name and shame called Ulikula.
So, and how will you ensure accountability in Shahidi?
Shahidi is an anonymous thing, so that they will count it. Then we have a shifting program. We'll work with other people, so that we just want to know the depth of corruption. Yes. And we'll give you something to speak about. So once you report Shahidi, we can say so many people reported. Yes.
And what's your take on the current state of digital democracy in Kenya?
Current state of
digital democracy in Kenya.
Digital
democracy.
What is digital democracy?
So how political discourse is discussed on our online spaces.
Oh, social media.
Yeah.
You know, social media is something that can utilize for your benefit, or it can be a devil. So the question really is that the more social media is there all night, the more questions you are asked. And also people have what is called false news. So you have to shift the two and find out. Yeah. So it is good. It's good to have that sort of questioning on social media.
And also, how do you imagine a Kenya without corruption?
You know, when I first became the MP in 2007, I was with Kibaki in Mombasa, and we were talking about Singapore, and we were telling them how it is like Singapore and China, what is happening. You know what the MP said? We were saying, how can we make like Singapore? Said, let us all go to Singapore and let the Singaporeans come here. We will make Singapore as corrupt as us. So it is basically us. You see, there has to be impunity. In Singapore, if you're corrupt, doesn't matter who you are, pap. If you are in France, you're corrupt. Even the premier president of corrupt, Sarkozy, was put into it. Here, there is nothing. Somebody is corrupt, he goes to the court, goes to ICC, and then there's the end of it, EACC. Yeah.
So who's to blame for the too much corruption that we are seeing?
All, you and me and everybody. You have to start and say, I am going to start against corruption. You start yourself. You cannot blame other people, they're here. If you make me the president of Kenya, I will take half of them and hang them here. Hang them. Impunity is a problem. If you are corrupt, take immediate action, like the Chinese.
So what do you think, what's that one change that you think will save Kenya?
We need somebody like Duterte of Philippines, or need the attitude of the Chinese in China. Just knock down on everybody to do with corruption. And as much as Ruto has been talking about corruption, we're saying very good. whatever happened in the past, can you show us by leadership that you're going to knock down on corruption now? But he's not showing.
Okay.
Okay.
So-
He said he's got those MPs, he will take them to court. Wapi? I'm waiting for them, Bwana.
So what's your final message to the Kenyans?
The Gen Z, this is your country. We are past it. Corruption is there. It starts from your home. It starts how your mother teaches you good ethics. Your father teaches you corruption. So start from that early. Okay.
Thank you so much.